foods like juice fruit and pop can wear away tooth enamel, you may not be able to notice until a dental light reveals thinning of enamel. Help protect their teeth with new Pronamel for children. Developed with dentists, Pronamel is designed to re-harden softened tooth enamel. It helps to protect against acid wear while providing the cavity-fighting benefits they need. Protect your child's teeth against acid wear and cavities. Try new Pronamel for children. Grand Power, helping you buy better.
Can we eat yet? Can we eat yet?
Not yet. Some things are coming together.
Now we buy any KFC family meal with original recipe seasoned chicken, fries, and salads. You get 1 of 6 free collectibles.
Well, go get it.
KFC.
Go get it.
Introducing
It's right on the floor.
BFFs who love to hang out together.
Go get it. Kuro.
Sophie lives to style.
Go get it.
And
Go
Katie
on.
lives for the thrill.
Oh, now you're going to come over and see me. Hi, baby.
And Daniela
Hi.
is becoming a rock
Oh,
star.
you're a good boy.
Each live friend comes with her own secret code you can use to access all things live at liveworld.com. Ask your parents first. Each live doll is sold separately and comes with 2 legs. Accessories not included.
Go get your ball.
Dr. Edgar, just add
Go get the ball.
and more.
Go on.
Delicious, mess-free way to bake. New shape
Go get the ball.
Dr. Edgar. In pancakes, muffins, and cupcakes.
See, it's on the floor. And you're over here. They're looking very cute.
Sorry, I was just staring at this bird over there.
You want me to get it for you? Alright.
Where in the street can go wrong?
Ugh. Is this your ball?
The real pterodactyl ghost must have come through here.
No, you're more interested in the camera. You're a camera hound. Yeah.
Scale.
Do you like the paparazzi? Huh? Do you like the paparazzi?
Night ghost and the 10,000
Huh? Are you the strong silent type?
Did you answer the question?
Okay, if you're not going to play with the ball, I'm going to turn the camera off. Oh.